Last lesson, we learned the first 6 most Somali useful conjunctions, and in this lesson, we are going to learn another 6 Somali conjunctions which are so crucial to know, so that you will be able to make a better and clearer sentences. And below no. We use Kahor to say before in Somali. Let's do some examples. Kahor intaysan bixin, qof walba waxay siisay hadiyad, which means before she left, she gave everyone a present. Kahor intuusan bixin, qof walba wuxuu siiyey hadiyad, which means before he left, he gave everyone a present. Aan quraac cunno kahor intaan bixin, which means let's eat breakfast before we go. A very quick note. I already made for you a quiz about Somali conjunctions. Feel free to solve it, then send me to my email. Just download it on the description now. Thanks, and let's go to the number 2. We use Kadib to say after in Somali. Let's see some examples. Cuntada kadib waan seexanayaa, which means after the food, I'm going to sleep. Kadib markii uu dhamaystay waxbarashadiisa, wuxuu aaday Soomaaliya. After he finished his studies, he went. Wuxuu yimid kadib markii uu qof kasta guriga aaday. He arrived after everybody had gone home. We use sababtoo ah to say because in Somali. Maanta shaqo ma aadin sababtoo ah roob ayaa da'ayay, which means I didn't go to work today because it was raining. Waxaan ku imaanayaa Jimco sababtoo ah waa isbuuca dhamaadkiisa. I'm coming for you on Friday because it's the weekend. We use Goormee or marka to say when in Somali. Goormee xaafadda timid? When did you come home? Markaan guriga imaado, waan ku soo wacayaa. I'll call you when I get home. We use Halkee or Xaggee to say where in Somali. Halkee u socotaa? Which means where are you going? Xaggee ka soo iibsatay kabahan? Which means where did you buy these shoes? We use Aaway to say where is in Somali. Aaway Abdi iyo Hassan. Where are Abdi and Hassan? Aaway buuggayga. Where is my book? I hope this lesson will help you Somali grammar and speaking as well. Now, I want to say you thank you very much, all friends, for supporting me reach my first 1K or 1000 community. And in the next week, I'm going to start a serious Somali lessons about how you can read or write Somali language in just 1 week or 5 to 6 lessons. So stay tuned. Sub the channel if you didn't yet, and turn on notifications. Mahadsanid. Nabadgelyo. Waxaan is arkaynaa isbuuca dambe.